The spreadsheet will help us calculate uh, bond payments and calculations on a semi-annual level. The difference between semi-annual and annual is we need to give 2 coupon payments per year, whereas the annual is only 1. We need to compensate for this by reducing the coupon payments and the interest rate that the coupon payments are paid at. So let's take a look at what we were working with before. $1,000 par value bond at 10% coupon rate normally would give us $100 payment. What we do here is we double the amount of payments, and we now have 20 payments of $50. We need to also, if we're working with a current interest rate of 5%, we need to also reduce that discount rate to 2.5%. So we can see here on our formula, when we discount it, it is discounted by 2.5%. Once again, at the end of the 20th payment, 10th year, we add the $1,000 and discount that. And we're discounting that by the same 2.5%. So this bond would be worth, this one's $1389.73. So that's what this bond is worth at 5%, which makes sense because since it's below the 10% mark, it will have higher value. If we go above, if it was current rate was 11%, the bond would be worth less than $1,000. Let's stay with the 5%. Okay, now we have NPV. This is more of a manual way of doing it, but many people still like it, including myself, because you can really work with the figures. We need to calculate, once again, the payments and deduct them and cut them in half. When the bond is to mature, add the par value plus the coupon payment to the last year. Current rate, use the current bond rate or the desired rate, not the coupon rate. That's a common mistake people use. Right, so we're working with the 1/2 of the 5%. We add that for the last year, it's $10.50. We're working with discounting it at 2.5%, and we get the same answer, $1389.73. We have duration here, which is another measurement. Explanation of duration is here. We're just going to stick with the bonds right now. This spreadsheet's a little bit different. It kind of works reverse, where we're trying to find out what is the effective rate. We have a par value, we have a coupon rate, we know how long it's going to mature, and we have a current price. We want to know what's its yield to maturity. Well, we're going to just prove that it is the yield to maturity here is 5%. We just plugged in all those other figures that we're working for: 1,000, 10%, 10 years, and it's selling currently for $1389.73, and we come here and it's yield to maturity. Let's see if we brought this back up. Hang on, what did we have before? Let's try 12. 885.30. 12. There it is. So it's 12%. So that's how this spreadsheet works, is when you have the other variables, you'll be able to solve for those.